Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. I hope all of you are fine. So today we are going to solve MCQs of chapter number 9 geometry and the polygon. The first MCQ is if geometrical statements are proved through logical reasoning called. So it's called the demonstrative geometry. Now the next MCQ is there are dash types of the reasoning. So there are total two types of the mathematical reasoning. The one is called inductive reasoning and the other is called deductive reasoning. Now moves to MCQ number 3. The mathematical statement consists of, so the mathematical statement is consists of two parts. The one part is called hypothesis and the other name of the hypothesis is assumption, and the other part of the mathematical statement is conclusion. Now moves to next MCQ. MCQ number 4. Hypothesis is also called, I have already told you, hypothesis is also called assumption. The next MCQ number 5. Actions are also known as. So we also know these are also known as properties. So option number C is the correct one. Now moves to next statement MCQ. MCQ number 6. A statement that is believed to be true but truth not proved is means its truth is not proved. So it's called the conjecture. So MC option number C will be the right option here. Now MCQ number 7. MCQ number 7 is theorem is a dash language word. So theorem is a Greek language word. MCQ number 8. Theorem means. So theorem means behold. Option B is the right option here. Now moves to next. The ratio of corresponding lengths of two similar solids is called. So the ratio between the two lengths of a similar solid is called the scale factor. Option D will be the right option in MCQ number 9. Now moves to MCQ number 10. Poly means, that's very simple. Poly means many. So C will be the right option. Now moves to next MCQ. MCQ number 11. Gone means, so gone means angles. So in this way we can simply say that polygon means a shape which have many angles. Like it can be triangle, it can be quadrilateral, it can be rectangle, it can be octagon, it can be pentagon. So all those sides which have more than two angles are called the polygons. Points where two line segments meet is called. So the point where two line segments meet is called the vertex. So vertex is a point where two line segments meet. Like you will see here. So that is the vertex here. Now moves to next MCQ, MCQ number 11. That's very simple. Polygon with 5 sides. So any polygon which has 5 sides, it's called the pentagon. Penta means 5. So it will become pentagon. Polygon with 6 sides is called the polygon which has 6 sides. It's called the hexagon. Now moves to next one. MCQ number 15. Polygon with 7 sides. So the polygon with 7 sides is called the heptagon. MCQ in MCQ number 15, option B will be the right option. Now moves to next one, MCQ number 16. Polygon with 8 sides. 8 sides, it's called the octagon. So C will be the right option here. Now moves to next one. The next is polygon with 9 sides. So the polygon which has 9 sides, it's called the nonagon. So B will be the right option here. Now moves to next 18. The polygon with 10 sides. The polygon which have 10 sides, it's called the decagon. So D will be the right option here. Now moves to next one. The sum of measures of all interior angles of a polygon having n sides. That is the formula you have already studied in the chapter. So it's very simple MCQ. We have already studied it. So n minus 2 times 180. So C will be the right option here. By using this formula, we can easily find out the number of sides, the sum of the all interior angles. Now, the formula for the interior angles of a regular polygon. So the simply you will divide the sum of all interior angles by the number of the sides or the number of the angles. Like n minus 2 times 180 is a sum of all interior angles, whereas n is the number of the interior angles. So simply you will divide the sum of the angles by the number of the angles. So n minus 2 times 180 over n. So that will be the correct option here. Okay class, Allah Hafiz.